Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. This is for everyone who is new here. I know we have gained so many subscribers the past month and I welcome you all. I really hope you feel at home. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe that is a 3-in-1 depending on the time or when you intend to use it. So it can be a salad dressing, it can be a marinade, it can be a sauce. So these are the ingredients. I have a whole lot of green chilies, so if you don't like spicy food you can go away with this, but then it will not be a green chili whatever. And then we have a bunch of cilantro, we have some green onions, I have some purple onions, garlic cloves, I have salt, black pepper, I have apple cider vinegar with mother, it has really aged, I have white vinegar, I have extra virgin olive oil and a jar, and that's all you need. So I'll put a whole lot of cilantro in there. You can use any other herbs you also like. Also chop my green onions roughly, because remember we are going to blend these. It can stay in the fridge for up to 7 days, and I think you can freeze and be using it, or if it's a marinade you can also freeze it in the meats that you intend to infuse it with. If it's a dressing, make fresh and chill, then serve whenever you're ready. In my house, whenever I have leftover matoke, I get the cold matoke, put it on my plate, or maybe warm it or whatever, or even rice, and then drizzle some of this green sauce on. So we put in the onions chopped into chunks, and then in goes the salt, some black pepper, not too much, just enough to complement our salt, and then our olive oil. Because this is going to be eaten raw, it's good that you use oil that can be eaten raw, so you can use avocado. And then I'm going to put in our vinegars and then just blend. If you want it slightly loose, you can adjust the consistency with some vinegar. When it's all done and it's smooth to your liking, the chili is strong, but that's how we love it. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and then transfer it into my storage jar. You can make it loose or thicker depending on what you want. I know you're going to see some videos that have this, and I hope you come back to watch this. I hope you're subscribed, of course, so that you never miss anything. The spice kicks in later. I'm serving something later on, so I'm going to leave some in here, and that's what I will scrape out and have. Simple, easy peasy, just like how cooking and food should be. So if you haven't subscribed, no, not done.